Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you something that even I find it very helpful. So please, I'll recommend you watch the video right up to the end, because in this video I'll be showing you what to do to update all your applications on your Android TV. Now, the applications I'm referring in this case are applications that you sideloaded. This means applications you install using downloader or APKs or using downloader codes. And you know that once you install applications using downloader codes, are always very difficult to update on your Android TV. As a matter of fact, when some of these applications get outdated, you will need to delete them totally and totally install new ones. In this video, I'll show you the best way to update all of them without any stress. So if you find the video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get into business. So what I'm doing or what I'm showing in this video is compatible on any Android device, because I'm using my Android TV box to do this video. As you can see, this is my Android TV box I'm using to navigate with the remote or with the remote mouse. So on your Android TV, and if you've been watching my YouTube channel, I've been sharing videos on how to install certain applications like web players, streaming applications, live TV applications, sports applications, and some of these applications or most of these applications are not on the Google Play Store. So when they are outdated, you cannot go to Google Play Store and update them. So it's very difficult for you or for some users to update these applications, and at times they come to my comment section and they tell me that this video isn't working. Well, this is how you update these applications just all at once on your Android TV. It's very simple. So on your Android TV, I'll need you to go over to your browser. I'm using my Google browser. You can use any browser that you find convenient on your Android TV, but I'll recommend a Google browser. So you go over to your browser and search for this particular application. Let me just type it here. It is called APK, and then for data. So this is the application you need to search for, APK updater, and as usual, this application is not found on the Google Play Store. So you will not find this application on Google Play Store. You will need to install the APK of this application, and please follow attentively and I show you where to update to install this application. So for instance, this option up to down, I don't like up to down, even though at times they work, but I don't really prefer them. What I prefer when installing APKs to my Android TV is Malavida. And if you watch my videos, there are a couple of videos that I've done using Malavida to install APKs to my Android TV, which they do work. So for instance, this APK updater from Malavida, it's what I'm going to install to my Android TV. You can try the other ones, but I cannot guarantee you that they are going to work. Do what I do, because that is what I've tried and it has worked. So click on this option and it's going to bring you to this page, or this Malavida downloader page, and this is the downloader button over here, and click. Now I could have looked for a downloader code to use to install this application, but if I do a downloader code, it might expire, and then at times I'll get people complaining or commenting that the code isn't working. That's why I went straight to business to show you all how to install the application from its original source. So once you're here, please click on this download button over here. And
Voici une recette simple et délicieuse pour un gâteau à la vanille. Comme ingrédients, nous avons
you can add they almost blew my ears away. So sorry about that. Just let it run through, or you can quickly close the video. I don't know what am I looking for over here, but here's the app. Just click on download, and then this app. My God. So the application is downloaded. You click on open, and then you install it to your Android TV. I'm sorry about that ad. God, I'm still recovering from that. So as you go over here, just click on install anyway, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. So once that is done, you can then return home. Once you return home, you will realize the application has been installed. So here's the application. The way this application works is that once you click on it, it shows you all the apps that you have on your Android TV device. It can be an Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. It's going to show you all the applications that you have over here and what you will need. As you can see, I have over 36 applications that I have on my Android TV right at this moment. So if you go over to this option here, I don't know if you can clearly see this one with the light. It shows that I have 13 applications that need an update, and of course some of these applications are installed from the Google Play Store. So I can simply go to Google Play Store and install them back or update them. It is very simple. But for APKs that you installed or downloaded to your Android TV, you cannot update them from the Google Play Store, and that's where this application comes. So what this application does is that it helps you to update applications on your Android TV without having to re-download these apps again. Let's say for instance, this code that I got from this site, if I want to update it, all I need to do is just come over here, click on this little icon, black icon or black mobile phone icon with an arrow. Just click on it once, and what the application is going to do is that it is going to search where I installed or downloaded the coding from, and then it was going to update it on my Android TV. This is how its application works, and it's perfect. So you can use this to update any application that you have on your Android TV. Just go over to this section and click on it. Oh my god, sorry about that. It is going to load and a pop-up is going to appear prompting me to update the application. So let's repeat that without me touching any other thing. So any app that you have on your Android TV that needs an update, it is going to show you once you click on this option over here. So you see, this is it. Just click on update and the application is going to be updated to your Android TV. It is as simple as that, without you having to install. You see coding installed. It shows that the application has already been updated on my Android TV, and you see, instead of 12 applications now, instead of 13 applications now, I have 12 applications on my Android TV that needs update. So you realize that I did not need to delay the application before installing back like normally, but I just come over here and update. So you can update any app that's on your Android TV without having to install a new one. So for those of you who have been struggling to update applications like Bear Player and so on that you've watched on my YouTube channel, use this application always to update when your applications go out or outdated. Use this application to update these applications without any issues. So this is a very useful application even for someone like me, because I find it so useful in updating my apps on my Android TV without having to delete or uninstall them. So if you found this video useful, if you see this is something helpful, please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want me to do a video about something, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. That's it about this video. If you liked it, please subscribe and share so you could encourage me to create more videos like this.